All right, this is my review and first unboxing and use of the HATHEPHS, the HATHEPHS smoke detector with a 10-year battery. And I just unboxed it and it's super simple. The thing I like about it, it's simple to use. It's aesthetic. So if you have, a stylish home or whatever, and you want to keep it minimal, but you still obviously need a smoke alarm, this is going to work for you. You don't even have buttons on it. So here's the cool thing about it. I turned it on already, but I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to turn it off actually. So you will probably hear a beep. Basically, what you do to turn it off is you just hold it in the center. That's where the invisible button is. I think you hold it down for 20 seconds. So we're going to hold it down. That should eventually turn it off. And then I'll turn it back on again. And as we're doing that, the other thing I like about it is it's non-invasive. It comes with an adhesive strip. All you do is attach this. Sorry, my dog could bark because you might have heard that, just so you know. So I turned it off. All you have to do is take the adhesive stick off one side, attach it to the smoke alarm, take it off the other side, attach it to the wall or ceiling. It even comes with directions that'll show you the optimal places to put them in your rooms, but it's super easy to use. Basically, all you do to turn it on, I think my dog could bark with this next one, but based on this, I can't tell you I've had a fire or smoke, but I know this is going to work, and I feel confident that it's going to work, and it's there just in case. And the thing I like about it is if you have an old apartment or something like that, and you need a better unit, something that's maybe more like mobile, you don't need to plug this into the thing at the outlet at the top of your ceiling. You can literally just stick this on the wall. So let's turn it on one more time. It'll take 5 seconds. All you do is press that invisible button in the center, and then you'll see the LED. Once it turns on, you'll also hear the beep. All right, so it's on. So that's my quick review. Basically, all I would do is just attach the adhesive. I already have a smoke alarm in this room, but you would just attach the adhesive and then just um, take it off on the other side and stick it to your ceiling. Super simple, super good value, 10-year battery, um, and it's guaranteed for fire and smoke. So this seems like a pretty good product. I hope I helped you make a quick, informed buying decision. My name is Matthew Paul. Peace.